everyone. Hope you all are safe and sound. Myself, Purvain Ghosh from Kolkata. I am 12 years old. I study in class 7 at JKPS school situated at Sultanpur, UP. During this quarantine, I decided to take an online course on programming with GoGlobalWays. I have made a really cool project. I have used a software called PictoBlocks for my project. And the name of my project is Shooting Zombies. My project will provide the user enjoy a lot by shooting zombies by different guns such as pistol, machine gun, etc. So that was all about my project. I would like to thank GoGlobalWays for this amazing course. Now I am going to explore my game. So let's play and have fun.